Thinking about getting your first motorcycle? Before you hit the road, there are a few things you need to know, from choosing the right type of bike to staying safe every ride. This is the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Motorcycles, 2025 edition. Let's get started. 1. Choose the right type of motorcycle. Not all motorcycles are built the same. If you're a beginner, here's what you should know. Standard or naked bikes are light, simple, and easy to control. Cruisers have a low seat height and are great for relaxed riding. Sport bikes are fast and aggressive, not ideal for beginners. Adventure bikes are made for both street and dirt. Choose the style that fits your comfort and where you plan to ride. 2. Understand engine size. Engine size, or cc, tells you how powerful a motorcycle is. For beginners, anything between 250cc and 500cc is perfect. More power doesn't mean better, it means harder to control. Start small, learn fast, and upgrade later. 3. Get the right gear. Before buying your first bike, buy your gear. You'll need a DOT or ECE certified helmet, a motorcycle jacket with armor, and gloves and boots made for riding. Your gear isn't a fashion statement, it's what saves your life. 4. Know your budget and hidden costs. Don't spend your whole budget on the motorcycle itself. You'll also need money for insurance, gear, maintenance, registration, and fuel. A smart rider plans the budget before buying the bike. 5. Safety and training. Riding a motorcycle is a skill, not something you just pick up. Take a certified rider training course in your area. It'll teach you how to brake, corner, and stay alert. Remember, riding isn't about speed, it's about control. 6. First ride tips. On your first ride, keep it simple. Check your tires, lights, and brakes. Practice in an empty parking lot. Avoid rain and heavy traffic. Every rider starts slow. Confidence comes with experience. Now you're ready to start your motorcycle journey the right way. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the Ride Hube community, where smart riders learn, grow, and ride safe. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next ride.